I'm Debbie Wendt of Wendt Quilting. I'm here at Quilt Week and I'm going to show you a few tips on English paper piecing. It's something that I like to teach and it's a great tip for you. So if we look at the English paper pieces, also known as the Lucy Boston block, there's lots of different variations that you can get, and you will see that we have some fussy cut. So depending on what you are doing, you get very different looks with this block. We have 4 that come in the middle. We have flowers that are around. Then a very same block with a lot of different looks to it. Here we've used a stripe. And then this last one I'm going to focus on here for a minute to give you a little extra tip. To get those 4 corners that come in together, Paper Pieces has designed a template. It's this clear template that you can put on your fabric. And that way you can figure out exactly where you want those shapes to come together. And so we would use that stripe depending on if you want a stripe through the middle or a blue through the middle. So that's a great little tip, to use that template to find out where you want those shapes to come, as we have done on this fabric to get the little circle that goes around the Lucy Boston block. One more little tip is when you put your fabric on your papers, we're just going to tack those corners. You don't have to actually sew through the paper. It's a little easier on your fingers. I do like a little bit longer needle that fits in my hand a lot better, and I just tack those corners as I turn it over so we get that nice honeycomb shape. And then they pop out real easily and you can leave that basting in there. You don't have to remove it. So that's a tip for your English paper piecing and using those honeycomb blocks and finding some fun fabric to play with. I'm Debbie Wendt. Come by my booth and see me at the next Quilt Week.